So what we got here, what's this white powdery substance? Is it white powdery substance? Can we take a closer look at this white powdery substance? Let's see. It's moist, it's wet, it feels like fuzzy booger snot. No. Actually, this is organic growth. Lots of organic growth going on here. And are we allowed to say it's mildew? Not in some states. But yeah, we got a very moist and organic living creature going on here. So that's not the problem, but the blower motor's not working. So we're gonna go after this one for a blower motor. My son's gonna handle this while I go away and take care of the expansion valve that was bad on that dehumidifier. And yeah, lots of growing stuff all over the place. All right, let's see what this turns into.